How do you transfer your recordings from a TCL Roku TV to another device? Hey everyone, welcome back. If you own a TCL Roku TV and have recordings saved on it, you might want to move them to your computer, phone, or another TV. Today, I'll show you the simplest ways in 5 easy steps. This works for USB recordings or cloud options. Let's dive in. It's quick and straightforward. Point 1. Check your recording type. First, identify how your recordings are stored. TCL Roku TVs often use a USB drive for live TV pause or recordings via the built-in tuner. Some use cloud DVR from apps like YouTube TV. Go to your TV's home screen and GT, Settings and GT, System or Storage to see connected USB devices. If files are on USB, great, they're easy to transfer. For cloud recordings, note the app name. This step takes 30 seconds but saves hassle. Point 2. Safely remove the USB drive. Plug in your formatted USB drive if not already connected. On many TCL models, go to Settings and GT, System and GT, USB storage device, or similar. Select Eject or Safely Remove before pulling it out. Avoid yanking it out directly to prevent file corruption. Once ejected, your recordings, usually in TS or video format, are ready on the drive. Point 3. Transfer files to another device. Take the USB and plug it into your computer, laptop, or Android phone with OTG adapter. Copy the recording files to your hard drive or another folder. On Windows, Mac, open File Explorer, Finder, drag and drop the videos. For smartphones, use a file manager app to copy them. Now you can play them on any device with a media player like VLC. Total time, under 5 minutes. Point 4. Handle cloud DVR recordings. If your recordings are from streaming apps, YouTube TV, Hulu Live, etc., open the app on your TCL Roku TV or another Roku device. Go to Library or Recordings section. Download directly to your phone, tablet if the app supports it, or stream on any device logged into the same account. No USB needed. Access anywhere with internet. This is perfect for moving content without physical drives. Point 5. Play and backup on new device. Finally, test playback on the new device. Use VLC Media Player for best compatibility. Always back up important recordings to an external drive or cloud storage like Google Drive. Tip: format USB in FAT32, exFAT on the TV for best results next time. There you have it, 5 simple points to transfer your TCL Roku TV recordings easily. Like, subscribe, and comment your TV model below for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.